Hi crafters, this is Agnes from Agnes Craft, and today let us see how to make a quill marigold flower. If you are new here, then click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to get updates on new videos. To start, let us first see the materials needed. You will be needing some orange cardstock and green colors, the light olive and fern green, and orange and neon orange colors. These are from Quilling Hub, which I got, and some basic quilling tools. To start with the flower, I take cardstock of orange color and cut it into a shape of the flower from a picture of marigold. And in this you can see this is made from orange cardstock, but this one is from yellow. And you can see the difference when we look the inside of the flower. So for variations, you can change the colors. Now I take some neon orange strips and print them. Then you can cut them into small bits for making the center of the flower. For the flower petals, you can have it much longer than the center parts. Crimping makes my work much easier. You can just bend them along the crimped part. After you bend them like this, we can add it to the center of the flower. Dab it in glue and paste it for the center of the flower. Hold for a while till it sticks well, and then you can get something like this. Sorry. Similarly, you can add some 2 or 3 small patches for the center. There is no need for it to be regular or in any particular shape. And once this is dry, we can go for the other petals. For the other petals, I take small lengths of the crimped paper and then bend them in a zigzag manner, just up and down like this, and then I'm going to stick it. The crimping gives the wavy pattern so that it is easy for me to manipulate, and also the result is so nice. Just take some glue and then stick them. Oops. Just make some zigzags. Like this. Press them down. Bend again. Press them down. Try to get glue in every part of the paper so that it stands well. I think I haven't done that properly. See, it's not standing. So be careful to put the glue properly. Now I have to do it all again. I have dumped it in the glue all along the strip. And then just make zigzag like bends. For these flowers, I don't bother getting the glue here and there because anyhow we are going to cover all the part of the flower, so it won't be visible after finishing. So like this you can make many zigzags. Keep doing from the center of the flower to the corners. Keep pressing. So that they stick well. And also rotate the flower as you go. Now you can see how it is turning out. So this is something else which I have done a longer way, and just keep doing the same thing. Just keep sticking all the way around. And in this piece I have used only the neon orange color, but in this I'm not sure if you could see it properly. The center is neon orange and the outer one is orange color, so you can see a difference between the center of the flower and the other petals. Now I'm nearly the end of the flower. Maybe when you start it will be looking somewhat hard to do, but once you do few layers you will get to know what you're doing and it will be very much easier to complete. And when we are coming to the corners, try to fill all the corners so that it looks a well finished work. So this way we can complete the flower.